Hello guys, and welcome to this new class in where we are going to talk about a very important concept in InDesign. I'm talking about the parent pages. They used to be called master pages, but now they have a new name, so let's call it parent pages. As you can see on the screen, we are still working with this Alhambra document. It is attached with the course, and if we go over the pages panel, on the upper part we can check two different elements. First one, we can read none. Second one, we can read a parent. The prefix is a by default, and then we have on the right side this spread, right? Look that we can make this space bigger just by click and drag. Notice that that prefix a appears on every corner on the normal pages, right? That means that we are applying that parent page on every single normal page. But actually, what is a parent page? Simplifying the concept is just a page in where we will place different items. Can be text, can be images, can be the current page number, can be many things, and those elements will appear and will be locked down on the rest of the pages. So let's do an example, and to make it easier I will open a new file. So let's go over File, New Document. I will use this history front cover customized document, but I will change some presets like facing pages on and number of pages at least 5. Create, and here we are. Now I want you to click on any point along this imaginary line. One click, this parent page is already selected, and if I do right click, this specific panel related with parent pages pops up. But now what I want to do is going into the edit mode. So we need double click on the spread. Click, and here we are. Once here, I will draw a rectangle. Rectangle tool, let's draw it. Let's swap stroke and fill. I will change the color, and then you can check already how this rectangle appears on every page. Actually, not on every page, but on every even page. Because we have drawn the rectangle on the left page, right? Left pages, always even pages. Right pages, always uneven pages. So let's make a copy of this rectangle using Alt key. I will hold as well Shift key to keep those both items aligned. I release, and I simply will change the color. Blue is okay. Then now on the floating pages panel, you can see the difference. Based on the parent page with the prefix A, we have a blue rectangle on the right side and a magenta rectangle on the left side. Keep in mind that those rectangles come from the parent page, and if we move to any normal page, for example number 2, and we try to select them, we can't. We can't because they are locked down. You should know there is a way to unlock these master elements, but we will see how to do this in the next future, not now. Let's go step by step. Before finishing the class, I would like to show you something. I'll go into the parent page, double click. Once here, I'm selecting those guys, Control or Command C, and I move to the Alhambra doc. Then I go into the parent page, double click. Once here, I will go to Edit, Paste in Place. Shortcut, Control Alt Shift V. This command is super useful. One click here. What I wanted to show you is that these master elements now appear on the normal pages, right? But not in all of them. If we check the thumbnails, maybe we don't understand why sometimes we have the rectangles visible and sometimes not. The answer is easy. If I go into this normal page, for example, we can check it perfectly. These master elements or parent elements, InDesign place them behind everything in the normal page. So talking about this blue rectangle is placed behind the photo, and talking about the magenta rectangle is placed behind the photos and behind the text. I am scrolling up because here, for example, in the left side we cannot see the magenta rectangle because it is behind this photo. This visualization order of the things is very important, as you can imagine, and we will need to master the layer panel. This floating panel we have on the right side, just below pages. Working with the layers, we will order items in a very easy way, and we will not find any difficulty. So keep that in mind. Now just practice with these simple things we have just learned, and I hope to see you in the next episode.